This is how to put a password on your WhatsApp. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, you can go to the U icon below your WhatsApp. If you're using Android, just go to your profile section. Click on accounts. When you click on accounts, you can go ahead and set up the two-factor authentication. That is to say, whenever you log out of your WhatsApp and log in back, you have to put a password to access your WhatsApp. This is very important, guys. So go ahead and do that. This prevents hackers from hacking into your WhatsApp. Now to lock your WhatsApp, you can go ahead and go back to your U section or your profile section, click on privacy. When you click on privacy, scroll down, you will see your screen lock. You see an icon showing screen lock. Click on that. You can set up your screen lock with your Face ID. If you're using Android, you can use your thumbprint, and then this is going to be using your Face ID. Whenever your Face ID is not available, you can unlock your WhatsApp with your phone password. So go ahead and do this, guys. Make sure you go to your account section. Make sure to set up your two-step verification. This is very important to prevent scammers from scamming into your account. And then if you want to just lock your WhatsApp, you can go ahead and click on privacy, scroll down to the last icon, and then click on screen lock. Just turn on this. You can choose the time. Do you want it to lock immediately, after 1 minute, or after 15 minutes? See you in the next video.